over here in Beverly Hills on Curwood Place. This one is listed at $13,970. It is absolutely to the nines with views of the downtown area. And look at this amazing pool that we got right here. This is unbelievable. And this one comes complete with a full media room. Not too big, just right. And right here we have a huge master bathroom that just takes up, it has 2 closets, 2 complete showers, huge changing area. So his and hers, you can both get it done here. To complete this home, here's one of my favorite rooms.